What's going on over there?
Ready. Fight.
What's going on, Shaykh?
Assalamualaikum, brother. How you doing?
What's up with this?
And you reading the Bible too?
Yeah, bro.
What?
You need this.
Yeah, for sure, man. We love Jesus, man. We as Muslims, we love Jesus. That's the thing. People don't get it. We as Muslims, we love Abraham, we love Moses, we love Jesus, we love Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon all of them. Our religion teaches us that we believe in all of the prophets without differentiating that we believe in one and don't believe in the other.
Can you show me?
Of course. Right here. Surah Maryam.
So it's not Jesus versus Muhammad?
It's not Jesus versus Muhammad. Jesus, Muhammad, Moses, Abraham, Dawood, all of them were brothers.
Wow.
So
And
you out
then
here giving dawah.
we're out here giving dawah. That's what we do.
We over here judging, man. That's crazy. Shaykh, when can I get a hat like this, man? Match my throat.
I'll get you one, man. It'll be a gift from me. Don't worry about it.
appreciate
You know
it,
what?
man.
You can have mine.